Nets are secure, holding steady. Readings are stable. Good work, team.
As of 1800 hours, the giant entity has been successfully contained. The threat is neutralized, the public is safe. Yes, this victory belongs to every member of our team.
Okay, today I'm going to finally organize my life, or at least my desk. If I survive this week without forgetting something, I deserve a medal. And maybe, just maybe, I'll figure out how to make my plants survive too. Wow, I actually did it. Wait, that assignment was due today?
Fellow creators, you know the struggle. You generate a clip with AI and it's only few seconds long. Then what do? You start screenshotting frames, copying images, trying to match them together in a video editor and spending so much time merging clips just to make the video longer. I've been there too, and honestly, it's exhausting. But today, I'm going to show you a new and completely free way to extend your videos in Grok AI without screenshotting, without copying frames, and without wasting hours inside video editing app. So relax. Watch every part of this video carefully because this is exactly what creators have been waiting for. If you're new here, I'm Oma, and on this channel, I show you simple AI tools and smart tricks that helps creators make better content faster. Before we continue, if you like videos like this, hit on the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with other creators who struggle with short clips. Now, let's get into the video. First thing first, head over to Grok AI. As you can see, I'm using the website version. Over here, you'll see the imagine button. Click on it. And it brings you to this place where you see lots of videos created by other users. Below here you see type to imagine, and the other side you'll see the image button. Click on image button, then change the image to video by clicking on the video button here. Next, you need to select your aspect ratio. If you're posting on YouTube, you use the 16:9 aspect ratio. Then also, if you're on the free plan, your resolution should be 480p, then 6 seconds for your video duration. Back to this box, click here and click on animate image to upload the image you want to animate. Once you've selected the image from your device, click on open to upload the image to Grok. Below here is where you type your animation prompt, and of course I got my animation prompt from ChatGPT, so I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy and paste my animation prompt here. Hit on send. You can hit on the send button multiple times to generate multiple clips which would generate simultaneously. You can also preview each of the videos to see what it looks like after generation.
Okay, today I'm going to finally organize my life, or at least my...
Next, click on the download button, but if you want your video to be extended, click on the 3 dots and select the extend video. You will notice that your video would be extended by another 6 seconds. But you need to type in how you want your next clip to be animated. Therefore, you need to type in a second prompt for your second video. Let's use something simple like she gets up to organize her desk and the entire room. Click on send.
And maybe, just maybe, I'll figure out how to make my plants survive too.
You can see that this video is no more 6 seconds, rather it's 12 seconds. Now you don't have to stop here. You can keep extending your videos to your desired duration instead of the previous method of downloading every clip and going to your video editing app. This method is easier than the previous one. So if you found value in this video, do well to drop a comment And if you're impressed with Grok AI like me, type impressed in the comment section and send this video to other creators who are yet to discover this new Grok update. Also like the video and subscribe for more. See you in my next video. Bye.
Wow, I actually did it. Wait, that assignment was due today? Ugh!